So we're here at Winter Jam 2.0. Last Winter Jam went well, so they decided why not have a second one. I'm here in the 240. Brendan's got his Outback. I think it'll go a lot better than last time. It's way nicer out today. Last time it was -20. Today it's like +2. So I don't think there's going to be as many. We didn't get as much snow, so I don't think there's going to be as many people getting stuck. So the runs will probably go faster. They got more courses opened up, so that'll probably go faster. Personally, I have winter tires now and a welded diff, so I should have a much easier time than I did last time. So yeah, should be a good day. So first run, how'd it go?
Terrifying, but well.
Nice. Brendan went on the right track.
Which is the
Sorry, he went on the left track, which is nice. I went on the right track, which is icy. Mine went okay, but I'm pretty sure I have GoPro footage that disproves that. I half spun it. I spun it enough that I had to actually stop the drift. And yeah, so today, this time I'm gonna try and go on the left track because Brendan says it's way better.
That's fucking sheet ice.
So today, last Winter Jam was awesome, don't get me wrong. Today is 100 times better. Last time we were here for about 4 hours and we did 4 runs. Today we've been here for about an hour and a half and I've done 6 runs. Brendan's done like 10. And I've also had time to get like 200 photos and, you know, an hour of, not an hour, like 25, 30 minutes of footage of just people drifting. So this is going really good. It's warming up. The track's getting a bit icy. The all-wheel drive guys don't seem to mind too much. I'm spinning out like crazy, but good time. Where the fuck did I come from? We've been here for a few hours now. We've completely lost count of how many runs we've taken. The track's really iced up, so we pretty much abandoned the 240 in the pits. Now we're just pretty much taking turns running the Outback, which is...
The line moves so fast, it's not even an issue taking turns.
It's insane. Like, we're getting runs every 5 minutes here. So, last run of the day here. I took the 240 for a couple more runs, but it's now just completely ice and patches of dry pavement, so it's really hard to drift. So it's pretty late in the day. Most people are clearing out, so we're gonna hit one more run here. Brennan's trying to perfect it, and then we're gonna bounce. But overall, really good day. Combined, we probably got like 40 runs in.
Something close to that.
Yeah.
Dollar value here is pretty high.
Yeah. Yeah. People who organized it this time did a really good job. We've pretty much, it's 5 minutes per run as opposed to last time it was an hour per run. So we've just been getting crazy seat time today. Had a really good time.
Cars are taking it well.
Yeah, and yeah, actually, honestly, I've seen some broken down cars here, and somehow our shit boxes are not one of them. But I don't know, day's not over yet.
Just throw it right to the wall.
Yeah, but what else? That's about it. Oh yeah, this is probably the last time we'll get to do this season, just because it's like 5 degrees out today. Yeah. It's March, almost mid-March now, so I doubt they're gonna be able to put another winter jam together before it's actual drifting season, and then it'll be.
This guy just do a 360 no.
Dude, so I on that other track I did a 360, almost completely. I did like a 305. 305. I made it almost all the way around when spinning out, which would have been dope if I somehow managed to keep it going. But yeah, pretty soon regular drifting season is gonna start, and then our cars won't be good enough anymore. So
yeah.